show. For today's show, we'll be showing you how to make 2 different drinks. Our 2 drinks are a s'mores frappuccino and an avocado smoothie. Let's hope that turns out good. The first drink that you'll learn about today is the s'mores frappuccino. A fun fact about s'mores is that the first invention of s'mores was found in a Girl Scouts handbook, Tramping and Trailing, in 1927. Let's go to Isabel for that. Yum, that looks like it's Starbucks. Great job, Isabel. Next, we'll be showing you how to make an avocado smoothie. Avocados are a great source of vitamins C, E, and K, and B6. Here's Reese with an avocado smoothie.
Let's get started. The ingredients you'll need are 1 avocado, 1 cup of milk, 1.5 cup of ice, and 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. Put everything in a blender and blend it. Blend until it is a thick consistency. Pour into a cup. Enjoy!
That looks delicious. Thanks, Reese. That's all we have for today's Munchie Monday. Be sure to tune in next week for more amazing recipes.